Got my Arrma Typhon 3S out. Just want to bash a little bit with this. Slight bashing. Hopefully I won't be crashing. Yeah, this thing, man. I love the 3S Typhon. This thing is a little beast. What just happened here? Like I lost all power for some reason. I don't see why it would pop out now. Let's see what the problem is. Because it did pop out. All right, it's all put back in. And this is only 3S. I see I got them bad lanes on here. Can't go wrong with some bad lanes. I must have unglued the tire. See, this is the corniest ramp I got right now. Plug it in. Trying to get it straight so when I do this jump, guess I just do my little bump in the road right here. Oh, you got a good jump there. As long as I can hit it straight, it usually will turn out good. Gotta take it easy because it's a little warm out here today. And the battery is done already. Yeah, this thing a beast though. This car's a beast. Just wanted to get out here and run a real quick video. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.